What's up guys, it's CJ from smartktai.com. About a month ago we demoed an app called WatchESPN for the iPhone. It allows you to access live broadcasts of ESPN, ESPN2, ESPN3, and ESPNU programming. We told you it would be coming to Android soon, we just didn't know when. Well, today ESPN finally released the Android version of the app and it's available for free in the Android market. Unfortunately, just like the iOS version, it's limited to Bright House Networks, Time Warner Cable, Verizon Fios TV, and Verizon high-speed internet subscribers. Like many of you guys out there, we would like to see more TV providers added to the list soon. Anyway, let's check out the Android version of the app. It looks like I have very low battery right now, so hopefully I can get this in one take. So we have some featured programming up here. You can swipe through those. And then down here we have a list of all the live shows and sports going on right now. So we have ESPN, ESPN2, ESPNU, and ESPN3. Before we get to the features down at the bottom, let's go ahead and jump into Pardon the Interruption, a live broadcast going on right now. Okay, so as you can see, it's during a commercial break right now, so you get this little screen right here, and then when it comes back, it'll start playing. So I'm going to stop recording and then start the recording again once the show comes back. Okay, so it looks like it's coming back right now. No need to take a break.
More headlines. Here's how it works. It's just like headlines, but more. Oh, really?
So you can see there's some issues right now with audio syncing up. I've noticed that sometimes this will fix as you give it time to buffer up and load up. Sometimes it doesn't. You can see the video playback is excellent. So let's just take a look at this a little bit longer here.
Didn't play really well. They were down 16 Saturday, so I'm not going to say they're better. It's possible, and they can prove that tonight in the rest of the series.
Now with the iOS version, you can actually tap on the screen and get some extra options, like being able to go back 30 seconds or pause the live stream. Unfortunately, with the Android version, you just get the stop button, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Hopefully they can add those other advanced features as well. Alright, so let's get out of here, and we'll go back to the main screen. So down here we have basically a robust search feature. So we can search by sport. Alright, so you can see what's going to be on later on. It looks like there's some NBA, Bulls versus Hawks. I'll be watching that. So that's good to know. And then you can also search by channel, so ESPN, ESPN2, U, and 3. So let's go back to sport for a second. Now, up at the top you can see you have a list of live now, so you can filter that out, upcoming, and then to the very right we have replay. So it looks like you can watch some streams on demand, which is a very nice feature. Unfortunately, the selection, for me at least, isn't that great. It doesn't have any of the NBA games really. It has some WNBA and EuroLeague soccer. And then of course we can search over here. So let's go ahead and type in NBA and see what comes up. And there we go. So a nice set of features there. Now a lot of times when I demo these Android apps, many of you ask how they perform on large screen tablets. So I'm going to go ahead and demo it on this Motorola Xoom just so you can see what it looks like. As you can see, it's not completely optimized as it's basically stretched to fit the screen. And we'll go ahead and show the video playback. Now it does work. It's a little bit more blurry than on the smaller screen, but that's expected. Now if you let it buffer out for a second or two, you'll see that the quality improves as so. So it looks pretty good actually.
I don't know about a seventh game. Okay, maybe not, Tom, but we've already seen one of those.
You can see the audio sync issues are working a little better here than when we used it on the smartphone version. So it looks like once in a while there's some bugs that pop up, but overall this app is pretty nice to have if you're a sports fan. So let me just go ahead and mute this real quick. Anyway, this was a look at the WatchESPN app for Android. Hit the link in the description below for the download info. Please take a second to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. As usual, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.